everyone, my name is Amrita and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's are doing great and staying safe at home. This video is all about a Bath and Body Works haul. Bath and Body Works is one of my favorite brand, and this brand is a US based brand, and it has lot of stores and outlets all over India, in Delhi, Bombay, Pune, Chennai. Unfortunately, we do not have any store or outlet available in Calcutta, but fortunately, Nykaa has come up with this brand, so you can just sit back at home and order whatever things you want. Today, I will show you my 10 products, whichever I have ordered already from Nykaa and I already received. So one by one, I will show you all the things. So keep on watching. This brand has wide variety of shower gel, body lotion, body butter, body mist, hand soap, hand sanitizer, home fragrances, lot of stuff. Price wise is a little costlier side, but the amount and the quality it provides, I think it's quite reasonable, because you just need very small amount of this body lotion or shower gel, whatever things you're using. So one bottle lasts really long. So in that way, if you calculate, then I think it's quite reasonable. But I can give you a suggestion personally which I follow. Buy these products whenever you are getting it in a discounted amount. Bath and Body Works gives discount twice in a year. One is a meat sale, which is going on right now, and another is a Christmas sale, that is mid of December. And really, you will get these products in a very cheap price, and so you can just buy the products in a bulk and keep it in your cupboard and use it throughout the year. I will show you all the products one by one and talk about it. I'll start with the shower gel. The very first one which I will show you, that is Midnight Pomegranate. It's a beautiful pink color shower gel, and it has shea butter and vitamin E, and 295 ml it provides, and price is 1299. It has pomegranate, blackberry spice, patchouli. The fragrance is very mild, and it doesn't have a very fruity fragrance, but the pomegranate comes at the last note. Otherwise, it has very mild and flowery fragrance. So in the summertime, I think this is the best one. The second shower gel is this one. Such a beautiful blue color. This is a beautiful day, the name is, and again it contains shea butter and vitamin E, 295 ml, and the price is 1195. And if you talk about the fragrance, it has sun-kissed apple, sparkling classic, and wild daisies. This is a perfect combination for summer. The third shower gel is this one. This is aromatherapy with jasmine and sandalwood. Again, this is 295 ml and the price is 1299. This has natural essential oils and bamboo extracts, which cleanses gently to leave skin clean without over drying. So this has a very mild fragrance and very soothing. The fourth product is a body lotion. This is the body lotion Midnight Pomegranate. It has 236 ml and the price is 1199. It provides 16 hours of continuous moisture infused with shea butter and a daily moisture complex of vitamin E, aloe and vitamin B5. Non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling soft, smooth and nourished. I got two body mist. One is this one, another is this one. First, I will talk about this one, and the name is Paris Amour. 236 ml of product, and the price is 1499. It has a very sweeter tone fragrance, but it is very mild, not at all loud, and it is a mist. You cannot expect that it will stay for the entire day like perfume, but it stays for 5-6 hours, so quite decent, I believe. Another one is this one. This is A Beautiful Day. I bought the same shower gel and I explained about the fragrances. It's the same fragrance and the price is 595, and this is 88 ml product. The next product is this one. This is a gentle foaming hand soap in coconut and eucalyptus flavor. It is a 259 ml of product and the printed price is 699. If you are not a fan of coconut, then skip this product because it has a coconutty fragrance all over. But you can just go ahead and try other fragrances. Last two products are from Home Fragrances. This one and this one. This is a diffuser. It says pluggable home fragrance diffuser. It's like all out. You just need to plug it in, and this is the refill, and you just put it here, and you will get the fragrance, I believe. This is the first time I'm using it. I won't be able to say anything about this, how it lasts and how long this refill lasts. No idea. But later on, definitely in some other video, I will tell you about the same. The price is 595 for this refill, and this one is also, I'm not able to get the price. I think it's the same price, 595 for this one too. These are the printed price, and it is a vanilla flavor and vanilla and patchouli. I like vanilla flavors, so let's see how it works. Lastly, I want to tell you that I got all these products in a discounted price. The discount is still going on in Nykaa. When I bought this product, it was up to 40% discount, and all these 10 products cost me around 5,000 rupees approx. And now I will keep this all stuff in my cupboard, and I will use these products throughout the year. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.